What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. So, I completed the project. I still haven't turned it in. All you gotta do to turn it in, and I don't think you get graded on it. You just get your CodePen link and just put it on here. And so, this is it right here. So, pretty much, you gotta build a Markdown previewer, and then yeah, they have a link to what it looks like, what a finished product is supposed to look like. And so this is it right here. Pretty much, it's a GitHub Markdown. I didn't know what that is. I learned it as I was going. This is what it looks like. I've always done this on GitHub. When you create a README file, this is what it creates. But then when you use two hashtags, it creates a subheading and so on. And yeah, over here, I pretty much grabbed this is a courtesy of programmers. So I pretty much grabbed what they were doing as in terms of content, and then I created it in GitHub. How to print hello world. Just something simple, you know. But yeah, it's fully editable. So like right now it says print hello world. You can do, let's see, what is it? Print hello world. It's alive. Print hello. Print hello. Print Google. Like it's live. So that's the main thing. Yeah, my biggest concern when doing this, not biggest, but top 10, it was, and this caused me to take that gap that I did. It made me quit because I was like, I'm not confused or something. I don't know what it was, but I've always thought before, right? I've always thought that if I couldn't code it myself, then that was it. And I was being hard on myself, so I was like, if I can't code all this on my own, that's it. It's a wrap. I couldn't Google anything. I was just like, I have to everything. But then I started learning that, I started looking on forums, Reddit, and then there's other forums, there's Discords. I started asking around, like, do y'all code everything yourself? And no, they don't. Google Stack Overflow is like really useful. So I was like, you know what? The limits in terms of this, I'll look at it, right? Just to see what it's supposed to be. I will not look at this. I think the only thing I looked at was I wasn't able to get React on there, so I believe I got these right here. I got the scripts in terms of like all the stuff that you have to import. I imported that, no fonts. I think I was on the JavaScript. I imported, I rendered it. That's the other thing that I copied. What else did I copy? That's it. That's all the script. That's it. That's all I could think of. But all the code, which is what you're supposed to be learning, I googled like parts, So that was my thing. Like, if I'm gonna Google something, I'm not gonna find a page that has it all. Like how to create a Markdown preview. It was gonna be, for example, one of them that I googled is what is GitHub Markdown, and so for that I did this. Another thing that I googled is, how to use Bootstrap. And so I did the Bootstrap. Something that I learned on this one is that you can also do Bootstrap on the JavaScript. So I have some on the HTML, but as you can see, the HTML is like very small. But if you go over here to the JavaScript, if you go to the render section, that's where I have all my Bootstrap. Now this, I had already built it, but it wasn't working. So this I got from my HTML section, and I just basically modified it so it could fit with this right here. Because this is what's important in React. Like all this, the states and the inputs, the change. So whenever you change something, like, you know, whenever I change it here, it has to change down here. So yeah, that's basically what I was learning. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is it. I did it. It's a good learning experience. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.